this topic is something that's a bit of a passion area for me and my team here at MD Anderson. So my group and my subgroup is really focused on this topic, which is beyond the approved JAK inhibitor class of drugs. So there's two agents there, Ruxolitinib and now Fedratinib, with many others in advanced stages of development. Can we start to see a signal, or at least develop something beyond that pathway, the JAK-STAT pathway? And there have been a number of candidate molecules that have come out in two categories, interestingly. One is the add-back or add-on strategy, where you keep the JAK inhibitor, add in the new drug. So we're working on that in preclinical and clinical trials. And then the so-called brand new space. So these are moving completely beyond JAK inhibitor, the novel agents only. Can they stand alone? So I'm leading several of these phase 1, phase 2 clinical trials. Many of my colleagues who will be featured throughout the virtual meeting are doing the same. And the concept here is that there's no FDA-approved drug yet in this space, the beyond JAK inhibitor, but all of these trials are moving, they're ongoing. Let's discuss the toxicities and side effects. Let's importantly discuss what are the future directions as we go into 2021 and beyond.